Hi, we're here to showcase 550 Point McKay Grove. This property is 70 steps from the backyard to the banks of the Bow River. It's unique in Point McKay because it's a two-story property. It's got 3 bedrooms, main floor, upper floor, fully renovated right to the nines, and the basement's fully finished as well. I think you're really gonna love it. If you have any questions about Point McKay or want to see this property in particular, you can contact me. I've been living and working on Point McKay for 28 years. Hope you have a great tour. Bye for now.